right, with your paper, Kennedy, off the bottle, thank you. All right, so with the paper right here, you have 3 glass bottles on the paper. I know that we only have one, but we are going to pour the liquid into the cup as we do our experiment. So I told Zoe, strike. So I told you guys that you were supposed to have a pencil, right? And so what I want you to do first is I want you on the first bottle to mark where the water is on the paper to where the water is in your glass bottle. So mark on the paper where your water is in your glass bottle. Right, and so, you know, a rough estimate is fine, you know, and then I might color it in a little bit to really make it obvious. All right, so that would be my first bottle right here. I marked it in. Kind of scribbled it in there. Okay, so then you are going to, with your pencil, tap it on the side of the glass. Okay, now listen to your bottle. All right, now try to remember what that sounds like. And then pour out some water to make it like halfway up.
Oh my God.
Okay.
It's coming. I'm the new Gordon Ramsay. I got halfway.
To make it halfway. Then draw it into where halfway is. Draw it into where halfway is.
Is that too much?
Now, play the halfway.
Bruh, it's supposed to be like right past this. Oh my gosh, it's
Now,
so
think about the sound that was before.
It sounds the same.
It is a different sound. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you what yours sounded like beforehand. Okay, no. All right, this is what yours sounded like before.
No.
Play yours now.
Oh yeah, that's right. Mine didn't sound like that.
Okay, lower, stop. Okay, now compare. I said stop. Now play yours. Okay, so now I want you to think. All right, pour out more. Pour out more. Pour out more.
I ran out more. You said, it's coming. It's right. It's even louder.
It's not louder.
It's a higher pitch. It's coming.
All right, so
I'm gonna grow you.
Papa, do you hear me? Papa, do you hear me? Okay, so when you were pouring out the water, right, the sound was changing. Does anybody have a theory about why the sound changed?
Oh, I know. Ooh.
Zoe?
Because it has different limits of water.
Different limits of water. So basically, right here, you have this, right?
Yeah.
Now play yours. Okay, stop. Okay, so now, which one's a higher pitch? This one or that one?
This one. Five.
All right, the one that has the lowest amount of water. So I hope that you've colored in where your lowest amount was.
What can I see?
Okay, so I want you to write the one that has the high pitch. That is high pitch. The one that has a low pitch, write low pitch.
I need to pour it back in.
And then obviously you'll write the one that has kind of in between. The two right in between. So that.
And if you hit this top, then
This. And
you got two.
now, does anybody have an explanation why? Stop tapping. Does anybody have an explanation why, when it's more full, it's a lower pitch, and when it is less full, it has a higher pitch? Anybody have an explanation for that? Jackson.
Because when it has more water, it's like taking some time to get where it was hitting, and when it has not that much water, it's not like when it has like more water, it's not releasing that much power. But when it has like low water, it releases less water.
I think you're on the right track. So, what's making the noise? What's making the noise? Eliana? The glass. And what's helping make that? Well, so the glass is making noise. Definitely making the noise. But also the air inside. And so if there's water, what's going on there? Dahlia? The water is vibrating too. So take a look. Now, does it slightly move when you tap it? Does the water slightly move? Yeah, right? There's a vibration going through the water, going through the glass. Now, when the vibration is just vibrating the glass by itself, listen how high that is. That's a really high pitch. So when it's just the glass itself, all that air that's inside the bottle is free to move those vibrations around as quickly as possible. Because a high pitch is really what? Fast waves, really close together waves, right? Fast moving vibrations, right? And a low pitch is really slow vibrations. So when it's going through the water, it's what? What is it doing?
Vibrating.
But is it vibrating faster, slower?
Faster.
When the water's in, it's vibrating faster?
No, slower.
Slower. So when it's filled all the way up, the vibrations are going slower. Whereas if it was emptier, they would be going faster. Which is why our pitch changes. So, when we think about that, right? We're thinking about the glass vibrating, right? When we hit it, when we do that reaction, right? The water carrying the sound through the middle of the bottle, right? We're thinking about all those things that happen. Yes, Ella? Tap mine? This is a higher pitch.
Can you just put the pencil in the cup? Oh. Can you do that? Can you do that?
That's a lower pitch. See, but compare between the two, this is a high pitch, that's a lower pitch.
What if you hit it with the eraser?
What if you cover it? Does it still make a noise? Yeah, because, I mean, essentially, the glass is making noise. Stop, stop. All right, everyone face the same way. I want you to try to blow in the top of it.
Yeah, that's what I was going to tell you. Oh my gosh.
Now, you have to blow across the top.
Is that yours? Sorry. Woo.
I had a good one there for a second.
I should break down my instrument.
There it is. Okay, so when you're blowing in it, do you think the sound could change? Hold on, do you think the sound could change? All right,
Okay, can I do that?
I'm gonna put more water in mine.
Can we do that? Can we do that?
No,
Please,
no,
please.
no, because I don't want water everywhere.
All
right, now.
Shh. Wait, how do you do that?
It's really hard to do.
Mine makes a lot of noise. I
is. Which one was higher? A pitch. With the water or without?
Without.
Higher pitch was without?
No. Wait.
Did you hear that? Alright, everybody stop blowing. Stop blowing. Ah.
I feel dizziness.
Well, sit down. Don't stand up. I just had it 2 seconds ago. Arlette? I want you guys to hear the one with water in it. Alright. Ah, so hard. Ah, I had it earlier. Well, did anybody hear it earlier?
Yes.
No.
Yes. It was like Arlette.
But with the, I can't get it for some reason now. But basically, with less movement here, it moves faster, so it would be a higher pitch when you blow through it. There it is.
Whoa.
Okay, there we go. All right, so there's that.
Can we pour it all in the cup?
Then, if you had it empty,
I can barely hear it.
either way, did you hear it was a little lower?
Yeah, can we dump it out? Can I do it?
All right, so higher pitch and lower pitch, it depends on the vibration. So when we're tapping versus when we're blowing. Okay, so you are going to now answer the questions. What is vibrating when you hit the glass on the side? What is affecting the pitch of the sound? And why do you think that is happening?
Well, mine's all the
All right, write your answers. We just discussed it as we were doing it. That's good. Excellent.
What the? You pour